Welcome back to my channel. Lots of yum for you. And today, well, I'm celebrating the new year and possibly a lot of new yous. So today we're going to be making some weight loss deliciousness. Yes, copycat P.F. Chang's delicious chicken lettuce wraps. Yes, and they are delicious. So, well, I'm telling you ahead of time, but hey, let's dive right into this video because we're gonna be making those delicious lettuce wraps, and I know you can't wait to take a bite. And guess what? Hey, we're all trying to slim down, right? But we wanna do it with some deliciousness. So, let's dive right into this video and make some deliciousness. Okay, everyone, I am ready to dive into making this deliciousness. So with the P.F. Chang's lettuce wraps, what we're first going to do is these are all of our ingredients to make that sauce, that dipping sauce that goes with those lettuce wraps. And what we have here, we have Chinese hot mustard, soy sauce, mirin sauce, sugar, water, chives, Sriracha, and last but not least, some rice vinegar. So I am ready to go ahead and let's make the sauce first. And after we make the sauce, while our sauce is mingling and all the flavors are celebrating together to give us a really good, flavor, we're gonna go over the ingredients for the meat. So in the bowl, we're gonna put in our spicy mustard. Of course, all these ingredients, I will put them into the description box. And with this sugar, because it gives it a little sweet flavor, you can also omit the sugar with your favorite sweetener. So if you're doing low carb, just go ahead and, do a low carb sweetener. And now that we have all the ingredients in the bowl, I'm gonna go ahead and use a whisk and mix our ingredients. Okay, I don't think we have to go too crazy, but there we go. While we are cooking the meat, these ingredients will be mingling and the sugar will be melting even more. So there we go. That was easy. Now we're gonna dive into the ingredients for the meat. Okay, everyone, here we have all the ingredients for the chicken. And we have 1 pound of ground chicken, water chestnuts, garlic, rice vinegar, mirin sauce, oyster sauce, and cooking oil, soy sauce, green onions, and chopped mushrooms. So we're gonna be cooking all this deliciousness. Now we're gonna go over to the stove and it's time to make the meat for our delicious ground chicken lettuce wraps. Hi everyone, I am back at the stove with my good favorite wok. I'm going to turn the fire on to a medium-high heat, and with the oil, I'm going to put half the oil into the pan. There we go. And my favorite wok paddle. While the pan is warming up and the oil, I'm getting ready to drop my chicken right into the pan. And there we go. So what we're going to do is brown the chicken. On medium-high heat. And as soon as all the chicken is brown, we're going to remove it from the pan. This has been 6 minutes of cooking the chicken so far on medium-high heat, and it's almost done. But we want it to be a little darker. We'd like to see the chicken more brown. So just letting it cook, chopping it up. Okay, when we stir and then just let the chicken sit there for a minute or two, it starts browning, and then we just stir it again. But some pieces are brown on one side. Let's see if I can pick it up. See? Kind of brown on one side. So I just kind of let it rest and lay in the pan and cook, and then give it a stir. Now that the chicken is brown and ready, I'm going to turn off the fire and put the chicken over here in this dish. Okay. There we go. So now I have all this cooked chicken here off to the side in this dish, and now we're going to put in the rest. Turn the fire back on. Just wherever you put your dish. I just put the dish there because I have so many ingredients on this side. Okay, we're going to use the rest of the oil. And don't forget, our pan is already hot. And on the medium heat, we're going to go ahead and add in the our water chestnuts. Our chopped mushrooms, the garlic, and our green onions. And you want to have this in the pan, stir it around. We're going to saute this for about 3 to 5 minutes. So it's up to you. So we're just going to kind of keep that in the pan and saute that for about 3 to 5 minutes. So you want to pretty much keep kind of stirring this. Let it sit in the pan for about 10-15 seconds, and then stir it again. We're just kind of sauteing. Want to make sure that we get all of the flavors opened up and mingling together for all this deliciousness. Everything smells amazing. So it has been 4 minutes. I'm going to go ahead, and now we're going to put the chicken back into our pan. There we go. And we're also going to put in our sauces. Our mirin sauce, our vinegar, the soy sauce, and our oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is kind of thick, so I'm going to have to use a spatula to get it all out. And there we go. Let's stir this around. Get all these flavors into our chicken. And that's it. We just turn our fire off, and our meat is already coated. And there we have it. That was fast and easy, and it smells delicious. Now that the chicken is ready, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back into this bowl where we had the cooked chicken before, and get ready to go over to the tasting area and we'll do the deliciousness test. Hi everyone, here we are at the finishing area and our sauce is ready. Looks delicious. The meat is cooked and steamy. And I have 2 pieces of the bib lettuce I put the meat on one, and this is what it looks like without the meat, almost like a interesting shell. So anyway, I'm using hearts of romaine lettuce. Now it's time for the deliciousness test. Okay everyone, I am ready for this deliciousness test. And remember, I'm wearing these because when you eat deliciousness that will help you lose weight, you're gonna feel like you're flying. You're gonna feel like a butterfly. That's right, 2021, let's all be butterflies. And here we go with this deliciousness test. Okay, and I'm gonna put some sauce on here. I think that's a little bit liquidy. Oh, okay, I hope it don't make a big mess. All right, I am ready. Oh. Well, I can't even talk. Too much deliciousness in my mouth. Let me wipe my hands. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Oh my goodness. This is definitely a delicious meal. You will not think that you're eating healthy and losing weight. It's like, you don't have to just eat bunny food. You can eat some deliciousness. So, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. And I'm hoping to bring some more delicious, low carb, healthy dishes that you and your family will enjoy. All right, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and push the bell notification button. And I will see you again soon. Bye for now.